Well, look who's back. I know you didn't think that last video of the top 10 side hustles that I talked about in 2020 were going to be it. No, people, I know what you always come to my channel for. It's for the free gift cards. So you know I had to finish the year by having my final video of 2020 talking about the top 10 ways to get free gift cards. I mean, who doesn't love the free gift card videos? I'm telling you ways to get free gift cards, people. So before we get into this countdown, I just want to remind you all, I know a lot of you are new to my channel, and even if you are an OG, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video, because I got some things coming in 2021. But without further ado, we are going to recap the top 10 ways to get free gift cards that I mentioned in 2020. Receipt Pal is rated 4.6 stars, and the reason why I like this is because you can scan receipts and get free gift cards. Again, that's one of my favorite ways to get free gift cards. And if you connect your email, you can earn points even faster. As a matter of fact, they will give you 500 bonus points for connecting your email. So I hurried up and did that one. So I'm even closer to a free gift card. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest with y'all. The one thing that I don't like about this platform is that it takes longer to get your free gift cards. From what I noticed in there, they will give you the free gift card that you cash out for, but they will email you the gift card. So you have to wait up to 10 business days to get that. And plus, you can't even cash out. It says like 30 days. So it looks like there's a 30-day wait time after you link your email address to when you can start cashing out your gift cards. So it's like, all right, you just basically have to hang in there, but they are highly rated. They do give you your gift cards, but you just have to wait a little bit longer for that one. The app that pays you back. All right, so I just did 13 questions. It literally took me like maybe 3 minutes tops, and it says I have $6. So, okay, focus loop. Let's see. So you need a minimum of $20 to cash out. I just earned $6 in less than 3 minutes. Pocket Flip is ranked 4.7 stars. That is high. And you gamers are gonna love them because not only can you get like Amazon gift cards, but you can also get gaming gift cards such as Xbox, PlayStation. They have a bunch of options for free gift cards, and it's really easy to earn points with them. And you can do it by answering surveys, or you can take photos within their app. The different options that they have will earn you up to $10 in gift cards for one task. So I definitely suggest you sign up with them, and I'm linking them down below. And again, their platform is very easy to use. They're very highly ranked and they're very reputable. So head on over and check them out. CoinOut has 4.7 stars, and it was featured on Shark Tank back in 2018. So they are quite popular and reputable, and they give you so many options to earn either cash or gift cards. So they will pay out using PayPal, or they'll do direct deposit into your bank account, or you can choose one of your favorite gift cards such as an Amazon gift card. So there's a couple ways of earning these free gift cards, and you can complete offers, or you can shop online or in store. Another way that you can earn with CoinOut is to scan receipts. It's really easy to do. That's one of my favorite ways to get free gift cards, is by scanning receipts, because like I have kind of like a little shopping addiction, you know what I mean? And they give bonuses for reaching certain thresholds. So for example, if you earn $20, they will give you automatically an extra $1. So once you hit $20, you're automatically given $21. So CoinOut will give you free cash and or gift cards. So yes, this is a great option. I'm linking them down below. Again, I have signed up with CoinOut, and I really do like this platform. So I do suggest it to all of you divas and divos. Hurry up and sign up. Capterra is a way that you can earn free gift cards for reviewing software. So the software includes things such as PayPal, Gmail, Microsoft Word. I mean, so many options. Like, they have to have hundreds of options in there. I always let you guys know that with Capterra, the risk that you take with that is if your review is not up to par, you will not get a free gift card. Go ahead and look at my video where I actually talk about Capterra. That's my first video. I do want to let you know that if you do get approved for free gift cards, you can do up to 10 reviews in a month, and a lot of times the reviews are worth $5 a piece, so you can make $50 a month doing those reviews, and I knock out 10 reviews in less than an hour. And just so you know, once your reviews do get approved, usually they'll approve you within 3 weeks of your completion and acceptance of your reviews. And in the email, there will be a link for you to redeem your free gift cards. They have GameStop, Xbox, Twitch, and you can cash out for other gift cards such as PayPal or Visa gift cards that can be used anywhere. Plus, they have a whole bunch of other gift cards that I'm not even going to dare to try to start to name. So yes, Swagbucks is an OG. I've been with Swagbucks for years now. And with Swagbucks, the reason why I like them is because they have one of the highest number of ways to earn points to earn free gift cards. So you can do things such as surf the internet, you can watch videos, you can answer surveys, you can refer friends and family, scan receipts, print coupons. Need I say more? With Swagbucks, they will give you your gift card when you're ready to cash out, but expect to have a little bit of a wait, okay? It might take a couple days for you to get your gift card, okay? So don't expect to get your gift card right then and there. There are so many ways to earn those free gift cards with them. I'm gonna link them down below. Of course, like I said, if you refer friends and family, you can also earn even more points. So you can sit back, relax, and watch those points roll in. So don't underestimate Swagbucks. They have so many ways for you to earn those free gamer gift cards and more. MyPoints has 85 rewards options, and they include getting cash through PayPal, getting Visa gift cards,
Amazon, Uber.
They even have Delta Airlines and American Airlines. So you can travel for free by using MyPoints. So I know you're wondering, like, okay, yeah, what do I have to do in order to start getting points? It is so easy, and you have so many options. So you can surf the internet using their search engine, or you can watch videos and earn points. You can play games, you can shop online, you can book your vacations. So many ways to earn free gift cards and cash with MyPoints. Shopkick is one of the OGs. Shopkick, I've been with them for years now, and I've done previous videos on it. My very first video, as a matter of fact, is this one. And with Shopkick, you can earn points by going into stores. And the way that I like to do that is by going to the mall, where they'll have like several stores in one spot. So the affiliated stores will earn you points that can be turned in for free gift cards. And that is only one of the ways to earn free gift cards. Another way to earn free gift cards is by linking a credit or debit card to your Shopkick app, and you can actually earn points for doing your regular shopping when you're swiping your card. And another way is my daughter's favorite. When we go to the stores, she can find certain items and scan it, and it'll get me points towards free gift cards. So Shopkick is definitely a great one. I'm linking them down below. Plus, when you sign up with them, you will get a bonus 250 points, and that'll have you on your way to earning free gift cards. It has almost 5 stars. It's 2.6 thousand reviews. Let's see what's popping with the Zogo app. We partner with financial institutions that'll reward you for learning about finance. Learn and earn, it's a win-win. A $5 reward? You know, I love Amazon, so let's just go with Amazon. Okay, so I just earned 97 more pineapples. In less than 10 minutes, I earned 417 pineapples. So the Zogo app is popping. All right, so before we jump into the #1 way to get free gift cards, I just want to remind you all to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications. But I can't wait to reveal #1. So let's get into it. So there are plenty of ways to earn free gift cards, but Fetch Rewards is my favorite because you can scan receipts, and they start you off with 2,000 bonus points, which is equivalent to like $2, and you can cash out at $3. So it doesn't take much to earn free gift cards with Fetch Rewards, and you can redeem a gift card up to once every 6 hours. So there are plenty of times where I'll go into Fetch Rewards several times in a day because I might be shopping on Target.com and then I'm shopping on Amazon.com. So I try to space things out. So I know if I'm going to be shopping on more than one, a lot of times I might redeem one in the morning and then redeem another one in the afternoon. So Fetch Rewards is my favorite. All right, well, since this is the final video of 2020 for Deal Finding Diva, I wanted to do a little something special, recap some awesome moments in 2020, and I have some great things coming in 2021, so I can't wait to find out what you guys think about it. But anyway, like I said, we had some awesome moments in 2020, so let's take that walk down memory lane as I peace out on this video. Bye. Again, you want me to make the cake for you when I gave you all of the ingredients. The hair done, nail done, everything done. You fancy, huh? You fancy, huh? Wait. It's broken! Don't make fun of me. I'm just a mess today. I swear. Turn me up in the headphones. Bruh, where are you? All right.
Let's go and check out these cars.
I landed not one, but 2 audiobook contracts with a single audition. And yes, my first audiobook is done and it is available on Audible. Yes, your girl has finally become monetized on YouTube. Ta-da!